Hello. To submit your scholarly session to the PAS meeting, please navigate to the PAS Program and Event Center. Enter your login information and select the Login button. Navigate to the Session Proposal option in the menu, and then select Create New Proposal. Your next option is to select the Scientific Program Proposal, and then click Continue. You will receive a confirmation message that this is the type of session you would like to submit. Select Continue with this type. Be sure to read through the information provided, such as our speaker support policies and other submission instructions. Once you are ready to enter your information, you will be asked to select the session role name, which is the session type. For this example, we will select the Hot Topic Symposia. The screen will refresh with additional options to enter. So let's enter our session title. You'll be asked for a description, to also list any pertinent objectives, and also who the target audience of the session is. Select as many tracks that you would like to choose for your session. It is helpful to enter this information for navigation of the meeting in our mobile app. Highlight the track you would like and then choose the plus selection button. You can add as many as you would like by continuing those steps. Once you have finished with that area, please enter your time block preference, which is 90 minutes, 120 minutes, or either. Your audience size. If you're going to have a Q&A session, yes or no. If you choose yes, please enter the number of minutes you will have, or you can say if it's going to be after every speaker, how many minutes. The society of affiliation of the session is important, whether the society is sponsoring the session or perhaps the leaders of the session have this membership. List any conflicting sessions that would conflict with your session, which helps with scheduling. And if there's a Sabbath conflict for anyone in the session. If you have videos in the presentations that you will have in your session, be sure to select yes or no. If you do not know this information yet, please be sure to contact our office after your notification has been sent. If you think you will use interactive polling or audience response system, please indicate yes or no, and then any additional comments about your session that would be helpful. Once you've completed that area, you can either select save if you're finished for now, or save and continue to move on. Step 3, participants, is for any chairs, moderators, or leaders of a session. So here, click Add Participant. You can search for the person's name or email address. Click the search button. If you find the person, select Add. You will be asked to give them a role name. In this case, we're going to call this person a chair, and click Save. If you want to add an additional participant, click the Add Participant button again and go through the same steps. This time I did not find the person I wanted to add, so now I will create a participant. Please add their first and last name and a valid email address, and click the Submit Created Participant button. You will be asked to create a new institution for this person. Its institution is required, state, country, city, and submit created institution. and then the role for this person again. We will click Save and Continue to move on to the speakers. These are the people that will be actively participating and speaking in the session. We will go through similar steps. We will click the Add Speaker option, and we will need to put in a presentation title for this speaker. And then to find the speaker, click Add Speaker. You'll get the option to search. If you find the person, we can click Add that person to the list of speakers. If they were already in the database, they will have an affiliation listed, or you can edit and select the number of minutes they will speak. If you know this person is not a member of the APS, SPR, APA, AAP, ASPN, or PIDS, please enter a justification for a non-member speaker. Click Save Created Speaker if this is the only speaker, or click Save Created Speaker and add another if you will add additional speakers. In this case, we will add another speaker. And you will go through the same similar steps. This time we did not find our speaker. So similar to the participants option, we have to create a speaker again. You're going to be asked to create their first name, last name, and give an email address. And then click Submit Created Speaker. It's important to click this first, not one of these two options. You'll be asked to submit Created Speaker again. We navigate down below, we fill in the affiliation again, country, state, city, and submit created institution for this person. And then we'll be asked to enter the duration of their talk, and again a justification if they are a non-member speaker. If they are a member speaker, you do not have to fill this field in. We are going to save created speaker and then save and continue to move on. You will be given a review page to walk through the information that you have entered. Please review carefully, and if you feel the information is correct and are ready to submit, please select the Submit button. You'll be taken back to the Create New Proposal page where you will see a list of your submitted and your draft proposals. If you would like to edit a draft, click Edit Draft. If you would like to edit your submitted proposal prior to the October 2nd deadline, click in the action box and return to draft. It will ask you if this is your intent. You can select yes. And now you are back in draft stage. It is important that any return to draft sessions are fully resubmitted in order for them to be considered for selection. Thank you for submitting your proposal to the PIS meeting.